Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and for today's video we are actually going to be cleaning up the Fiat Punto today. And why is that, Michael? If we actually type in the registration of this car onto the DLVA, well, let me show you. It actually comes up as white. This is not bloody white, this is yellow. That's like me saying I'm the most British guy out there. This car has had a beating. It's 2010. It's had fucking 5 different owners, for fuck's sake. I am the sloppy 6th. Nice. So pretty much for today's video, we are going to be polishing, ceramic coating, and doing a full interior detail of this car because it fucking needs it. So here it is. It's not bad on my side, but like as you go further and further into the car, this is genuinely how it looks. And that is because we just did like a 400-mile round trip to Cornwall. Well, that's my excuse at least. Right, let's hear this baby roar out of this exhaust you can't even bloody see. First off, this isn't even part of the detail. This part is actually called not being a tramp and throwing away all my rubbish. Next thing I did was I whacked out the Henry Hoover. Now this is the problem with having a dog and a girlfriend. I honestly don't know which one leaves more hair behind. As you can tell, this is my favourite job. Sarcasm. Now, this, my friends, is where it gets noisy. This machine sounds like it's about to take off. Ryanair are coming for this wet vac next. I'm gonna guess most people know what this thing does, but pretty much it just sucks the water out. Watch the dirt that comes out of this. So, the car's been all wet vac now and bloody. This is the dirty tank. So this is all of the water that's been sucked back up. And look at that.
What is that? What is that? Wait,
right, then next day, it's plastic time, baby. Woo. It is time to send these plastics in a time machine back to 2010. And they're gonna be looking as good as new. Let's do this. I'm excited to get this steering wheel back to like proper like niceness. Let's go for satisfying scrubs, right? Let's smash it out. Watch this. Minutes later, the interior is done. I have honestly never seen this Fiat Punto so clean in the 2 months I've had it. Now, unfortunately, my GoPro decided to commit, so I don't have any footage of this, but the steering wheel in particular went from a very shiny leather to a nice matte finish. Moving straight on, we're not messing about in this video, we're getting shit done. We're moving straight on to the outside of the car. And for the outside of the car, we are doing a polish and a ceramic coating on it. It is going to be so shiny that people are going to be blinded on the road.
Highness, I'm sure it's not that noticeable.
Oh god, that shit's strong. Next up was citrus wash. Yeah, I don't don't know what Easy Car Care put in these products. They've literally made straight up fucking acid. Look at that. Just dissolving all the dirt in there. I didn't even know there was dirt in there. And honestly, I love pre-washes because literally look at these wheels. I've not even contact washed it yet. And look at them, they're shining. I then rinsed off the rest of the car. Next step is the decontamination. We've got some iron fallout remover. We've got some tire and glue remover. Let me show you a magic trick. Spray this on. And now we wait a couple minutes. And a few minutes later, when we come back to the car, it both stinks like shit and is bloody bleeding. It is leaking everywhere on this car. Look at this. Attach my snow foam lands, and baby, this ain't snow foam. This is a bloody avalanche. This is marshmallow fluff. Look how thick it is. Last step is clay barring. But I hated clay barring when I used to. You know, you used to drop all the rubber shit on the floor and then pick up debris and then you have to put it in the bin. I've now ordered this reusable clay mitt and apparently this works really well. I'm gonna go back over the car with this, literally just hand wash it, and then we can get on to polishing. Oh shit, we're there. So finally! The outside is all done. Let me show you guys the results because, boy, this car's white again. So it is fair to say that this car has had a little bit of its whiteness brought back to it and a little bit reflective. But overall, this is a 2010 car and it's scrubbed up well for itself. We are going to scrub it up even more. So how we are going to be doing that today is with my little friend, my DA polisher. And pretty much what we're going to be doing today is this is going to basically cut back the clear coat and give us a nice fresh paint to ceramic coat over. This is a 2010 car, so I'm not aiming for perfection. Now this is the best way to explain the next part. Scratches on the paintwork, as you can see here with all the little lines. We go over it with the polisher a few times. It cuts back a little bit the clear coat, revealing a nice new fresh layer with no scratches or little scratches. Now this is only a small part of the car, so just imagine it when the whole car is done. Polishing the car is by far the most boring thing you could do detailing. Honestly, I don't know how you detailers out there do this for a living. You have to move in such a slow, robotic fucking movement. It is painful, but the results speak for themselves. What? But still, boring as fuck. Right then, so now that the car has been all polished, it is looking gleaming, guys. Like, honestly, we're gonna move straight on to ceramic coating. But yeah, we got G-Technic crystal lacquer. Comes with a nice little applicator pads, and there's the little bottle. It's like £36 for that little bottle right there. Got a little G-Technic sticker. Ooh. Pretty damn hard to see where you've been on a white car. Right, and now I'm going to buff that off lightly. That is literally the ceramic coating all done. And now pretty much we just have to leave it for 12 hours to cure and then work on the rest of the car. This is going to be long as fuck. And of course, the final step to any car detailing, a little bit of tyre shine. Right then guys, so after so many hours of work, it's all done. It's all been polished, ceramic coated, the interior's been done. This is clean. All right, let me show you, ready? So here is actually, look how clean it is. I mean, honestly, the best part about ceramic coating, I always say this. Chloe, feel the paint, just go like that.
Oh!
Yeah.
Wow! Oh, that's really nice.
If anybody's ever felt a ceramic coated car, the paint is like smooth. It's all done now, and honestly, the gloss levels on ceramic coating. If you think about getting a ceramic coating, just do it. Like, this is a Punto, and it's now protected for a couple of years. Hopefully, if it doesn't rain, I don't think it's gonna rain, but it might rain. So, if it does rain, I'm fucked.
A bit like it might rain.
Luckily, it didn't rain. This is me 24 hours later.
Right then guys, so we've pulled up to probably one of the most dirtiest places. I mean, look at this bomb crater. Luckily, it didn't rain for the 24-hour period of this curing. So hopefully it's cured properly. It should be curing inside.
I've never seen it this clean. Well, we have never seen it this clean.
Yeah, so it's so clean. Like, the thing is, in the sun, I can't actually see many scratches, and like, this is direct sunlight, and like, for a 10-year-old car, I mean, look at it, it's fucking gorgeous. Oh, 10-year-old car, this beats the Corsa. Oh my god, fuck. Chloe, move out the fucking way, get out. Oh, that. Just to quickly show you guys why you need your car ceramic coating and everything, I've actually went to Tesco's and bought a dedicated bottle of water for this. All the mud there. Ready? We just pour a little bit of water on.
Oh, wow!
Just rinses it off. See? Oh, that's nice.
Oh, wow! It
Yeah.
just slides off.
Look, filming it. No matter what car you have, guys, if you take care of it, people are going to appreciate it. Right then, guys, so unfortunately, that is the end of today's video, restoring the Fiat Punto. The next thing we have to do is 100% the wheels, because they are disgusting. They are like ceramic coating all done. They're really dirty. The clear coat is like peeling on them, so we need to get them done ASAP. But yeah, guys, unfortunately, that is the end of today's video. Follow me on Instagram at _OtherStuff. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you faces in my next video.